Okay, for number 19. Number 19, I can't use the quadratic formula yet because I need to get this equal to 0. So if I add 6 to both sides, I'll have 6x squared minus 13x plus 6 equals 0. We set this up as y equals, or 0 equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And so from here I can tell my a equals 6, my b equals negative 13, my c value equals 6. So a and c are both equal to 6. Now I'm going to use my quadratic formula. So x equals the opposite of b, so 13, plus or minus the square root, b squared. So negative 13 squared is 169. Please don't type in negative 13 squared on your calculator, because it'll give you a negative number. So 13 squared is 169, negative number squared is positive. 169 minus 4 times 6 times 6, all divided by 2 times a. A is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. So I'm going to get x equals something over 12 and something over 12. I'm getting both of those because we have a plus and minus. So 13 plus the square root gives me a number, and then 13 minus the square root gives me a number. I'm going to use my calculator for that. So I'm just going to type in 13 plus the square root of 169 minus 4 times 6 times 6, and I get 18. I'm going to do that again. I can do 13 minus the square root, 169 minus 4 times 6 times 6, and I get 8. Now I can simplify those fractions, but if you wanted to, you could type in 18 divided by 12 and get your 1.5. You could type in 8 divided by 12 and get 7 1/3. So, oh, I did 88. Let's try that again. 8 divided by 12. It's 0.67. So 18 over 12 was x equals 1.5, and 8 over 12 was 0.67, but the exact answer is 2/3. Some of your calculators will do that. Other calculators, you have to turn it into a fraction. And so 2/3 is my answer. So 1.5 and 2/3.